Hello everyone and welcome back to Daily Tuition. In this tutorial, we will create image viewer using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. We are using JavaScript jQuery library to create this image viewer. We also take a look how you can change the image using your left and right navigation key. So when you press the left navigation key, the image will move to the left side. When you press the right navigation key, you can move your image to the right side. So let's take a look how to create image viewer. But before we start this video, make sure you press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get notified of my every new video, and also like this video if you find anything useful in this video. So before we getting late, let's get started. First, you wanted to open the Visual Studio Code and open empty folder in the studio, and here we already have created a stock folder, and in this folder we have few images. So we have 7 images in this folder, and then we create file here, index.html. then we create cascading style sheet, so we'll create a style.css file. Then we wanted to create JavaScript file also, so we'll create here main.js file. Now first, in index file, create a simple HTML5 snippet and just change the title to image viewer, and after that I will link the style.css file. So we're gonna create a link and specify style.css to it. In the body section, we're gonna create a container, and in that container we put a viewer class. After the closing viewer class, here we create a slider class, and you can name this class anything. I choose slider for it. Now here we put storage class and save this document, right? So I will just put image and specify stock image 1. So we'll specify the first image in the source, and here we create one more div with image 0 class, and in this div we put image tag with image 1 and save this document. Now we wanted to run this document, so right click here and open this document with live server. Now you will see this result. Now we wanted to style it, so in style.css file I will first create a global selector and specify box sizing border box. Then we create a container and specify text align center. After that I'm going to select container image and specify width 100% and height 100%. Then we wanted to select the viewer class, so we'll select the viewer and specify width 52 em, height 38 em, padding 4 em and 0 em, and then specify margin auto. To center your image we use margin auto, and save this document. Now you will see this result. Just after that we will select all the image in the viewer class, so we'll select viewer img and specify border 4 pixel solid white, and specify box shadow 8 pixel 2 pixel 30 pixel, and color of the shadow which is black. Now you will see this shadow, but now we wanted to change the color of the body tag, So here I will select the body and specify background, and will specify liner gradient to right, and the color is 29323C. The second one is 485563. That's it. Save the document. You will see this background color. After that, we wanted to align this image. Now in the style sheet, we select the slider class and specify height 5 em and margin 0 em 3 em. After that, we will style this division, but first we wanted to add some more division tag in this storage class. So we'll copy this one and paste it here, and just change the image to 1, and this one became 2, and change the path of the image and choose second image here and third one here. Save your document. You will see this result. Now we wanted to decrease the size of this image and align this image in one line. So in style.css file, here we select all this div using class selector. So we're gonna add bracket and type class asterisk to select all these classes and specify the name of the class, which is image. So this will select all the division tag which has image class in it, and here we specify width 10 em, height 6 em, and display inline flex. Now you will see this image on the bottom of the page. Go back to the index file and put 7 division tags. So copy this one and paste here. So you can add 7 division tag over here. So this became 3, this one became 4, and you wanted to do that 7 times, but this will take your expensive time. To save your time, we have one more way. So we will create the same layout using jQuery. To save your time, just remove all this division tag like that, and using jQuery we will dynamically add all this division and images and append it in the storage class. Let me show you how. So first we wanted to save this document, so this will automatically remove, and here we search for the jQuery CDN, and we wanted to copy the CDN. So I will copy this minified version, copy the script tag and paste it just before the closing body tag over here. At the last, we wanted to link this main.js file, so create a script, and in the source we link this main.js. Now we will work on this main.js file. Now first, just think you have a database that contains images in the table. So you wanted to access that all images and display all these images to the user. So we are not adding any database in this tutorial, but we create a mimic of that database using array. So we store all these images in the array and display it on the web page. So I will show you how. So first, what you need to do is, we will first create a document.ready function. After that, we create a variable called image source and specify image path in this variable. So we'll just specify image path in this variable. Now here just specify the absolute path of your image. So we're gonna say stock pixel1.jpg. Then I will copy this one and paste it here and just change the 1 to 2 jpeg. I will fast forward this video and add absolute path of these images in this array. Now we have 7 images in the image source variable. Now we wanted to display all these images on the bottom of the page. So what we will do is we're gonna create storage variable and specify the set of storage class. Then we create viewer variable, and here I will just specify the viewer class, and we create a global variable indexed and specify value 0. Now we'll create a for loop where I is equal to 0, I is less than image source dot length I plus plus. Now we wanted to create 7 division tag in the storage class. So to create that, I will first call the storage variable and call the append method. In this method we create div with the class image, and we specify number for this class. So I will say I here. Right, save this document and I will show you what we have created. Go to inspect, and here you will see we have a storage div, and in this div we created 7 division tag. So it starts from 0. So when you calculate that, it's equal to 7, right? Now we wanted to put image tag in each division tag. So to create this, we just wanted to select this image class and with the number, so I'll specify I here and append image tag. And for the image tag we specify attribute source is equal to image source, in the bracket I specify indexed I, that's it. Now the image tag will take all the images from the array, right? I will save this one also. So you will see we have image 1 in the first div, we have second image in the second div, we have third image in the third div. So we have 7 images in the 7 divs, and you will see this result, right? After that we wanted to add all these images here. So to create that, we will call the viewer class and append image. Right, and specify class my slides, and the source attribute gonna be image source, and the index is I. That's perfect. Now you will see these all images on the page, but now we wanted to hide the overflow content. So back to the style.css file, and in the viewer class I just put one more property, which is overflow hidden. So you will see this result. But now we also wanted to hide this one, second one also. So here I just wanted to put display property for that. I will show you later. Now we wanted to hide this and this image and display it when you press the left and right navigation key. So we'll select the my slides class, this one, which we created in the jQuery, and we specify display none. So we'll see all the overflow content will now hidden. After that, we don't want to put the image, this one, in the index file. So I will just remove this, and in the main.js file here. So now we wanted to first select this my slides image and display the first image from this array. So here we will select viewer my slides, call the jQuery method eq 0 and specify CSS style display block. Save your document. So you will see this image on the page here. After that, we will create my slide variable. So we'll add my slides equal to and select the my slides class. And we also select the all images in the storage class. So we'll create stimg variable and specify storage img. So we'll select all the images in the this one storage class and store it in the stimg variable. Now we'll create keydown event on left and right navigation key. So here we call the document dot on and specify keydown event, and the second parameter is specify function So now we just wanted to specify display none to all the my slides class. So we'll call my slide dot css and specify display none. right? Now we wanted to create a function to change the image. So here I will create a function show, and in the parameter I will specify index. Now here I will call the if and else statement. So we will say if event dot key code. Okay, wait, I just wanted to first tell you how to identify the key code. I just wanted to show you how you can identify the key code first. I just wanted to show you how you can identify the key code. So just say console.log and here call event.keyCode method, right? I will just remove this parameter first, call this function in this Keydown Event right here. Go to inspect. From the console, to know your left and right navigation key code, press the left and right navigation key, right? Now you will see the key code of left and right navigation key. The left navigation key code is 37 and the right navigation key code is 39. So now we know that what is the key code of left and right navigation key. So here I just wanted to specify the parameter indexed, and we say if event dot key code is equal to 39, then we wanted to increase the indexed value. Then we create one more if to check event dot key code is equal to 37, then we wanted to decrease the index value. At the last, just return indexed. Save this one, and in the show function I just wanted to specify the indexed value. So we call this global index variable in this function, and we store the function return value in the global index, right? Let's see what's happened if I press the left and right navigation key. It's not working. After storing the index value here, after storing the function value in the index variable, here I will first select the my slides and call eq method of jQuery, and in this method we are not passing any value. I just wanted to pass the indexed variable to it, right? And we specify CSS display block, right? Now I just wanted to explain you what we have created here. First I will specify display none property to all the my slide class, and then we change this property to block with each different index. So if the index value takes 0, the first image will display. If the index value is equal to 1, we will change the display property of first image. If the index value is 3, we will change the display property of third image to block. After that, just save this document and see what's happened if I press the left and right navigation key. That's it. It is working. So when you reach at the last image, this will disappear. We wanted to fix this one. So here, just after the function, we'll create if the indexed value is greater than image dot length, we'll specify index is equal to 0. Else, if the index value is less than 0, we specify indexed is equal to image dot length. Save this document and run this again. So now this will work fine, but still you will see the first image, it takes a blank space here. To remove this blank space, I just wanted to specify the -1 here. When you specify -1, it will -1 from the image source length. Now run this project again. Now it is working fine. Now I just wanted to add some style to these images, and I just wanted to show which image is active right now. So I just wanted to first create an active class here. I will say active, and we specify transform scale 1.2. Then we specify box shadow 1 pixel, 3 pixel, 30 pixel, and specify black color to it. Then we specify border 1 pixel, solid white. I just wanted to add this in using jQuery. So here I will first select the storage class, and then we'll select image, and for the first image with 0, we specify 0 index here. To select first image, we add class and specify the class name active here, right? So you will see this class over here. When you press the left and right navigation key, this class is only selected the first. I just wanted to specify this class to active images. So I just wanted to first remove this class here. So I will first call the st image and remove class. Now this will remove this class from the all images, and we apply this class to different images. I will show you how. So we'll first select the storage img and call the eq method, and I just wanted to specify here index right, and then add class which is active. Save the document. Now you will see this result. When you change the image, the active class will automatically apply to that image. Now I just wanted to add some fading effect to this image. So in style.css file, here I will just create a fading animation. So we'll just say keyframe fade 0%, opacity 0.1, and for the 100% we'll say opacity 1, and we'll add this here to this MySlide class. So we'll just say animation fade 1.9 second is. Right, save your document. I think I forget something. Yeah, is. Save your document. That's it. Now you will see this fading effect to your image. That's it, your image viewer is ready now. If you find anything useful in this video, then must press the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more updated videos. Comment me if you have any question. That is all for now. We will see you in the next lecture. Till then, be happy and keep watching.